The TowFLEXX LiDAR nose wheel protection system and collision avoidance offers unparalleled safety in ground handling. The nose wheel protection system, NPS, automatically manages the nose wheel, adjusting the aircraft Tugs turntable to ensure the wheel remains straight even during the tightest turn. At the heart of the system is a 360 degrees 3D LiDAR sensor at the Tugs front, connected to an aircraft database for precise aircraft specifications. This setup allows for exact positioning of the Tug and aircraft, enabling flawless autonomous adjustment of the nose wheel. This technology allows operators to concentrate solely on moving the aircraft. Operators can perform full 360 degrees rotations around the nose landing gear without worrying about turning limits. Especially useful in challenging or confined spaces, the system enables operators to focus entirely on the task, removing unnecessary distractions. Beyond nose wheel protection, the system offers collision avoidance assistance, comparable to park distance control, PDC, in modern cars. By accessing the aircraft database for precise dimensions and positions, the system can detect and display potential hazards around the aircraft. If an obstacle comes too close, the Tug automatically slows down to prevent damage. This industry-leading capability is powered by an advanced LiDAR sensor that creates a 3D map of the surroundings, with the data only used locally during the tow and not stored or transferred anywhere else. Future updates will enhance the system's capabilities, including path following, more integrations for movement, and semi-autonomous features that make safe towing accessible even for novices.